and today we're going to do some of my crafts on my to-do list. So I already practiced this because I didn't want to look silly and I couldn't sleep last night. So I'm going to put some wheels on my little sewing machine storage drawer, and this way I can roll it in and out between my desk and the wall. So let's get to that. Basically, I just took this leveler and just lined it up on the edge and drew a line, and then I did it like this and drew a line, and then I lined up my wheel wherever it crossed. And then I just draw like little circles where the holes are. And we're going to do it on all sides. Now I'm just going to drill holes in all the places I drew little holes at. Next, we're going to vacuum the mess. And now I have all my screws and all the wheels on top, so I'm just going to put them together. Yay, I did it, and now I am going to paint this porcelain cat that I found. Sadly, I could not find spray paint, so I'm going to try just painting it with normal acrylic paint. This is matte, or matte, whatever you call it. And when I say I couldn't find spray paint, I found the spray paint section, but there was no pink spray paint, and I want her to be pink, so. Sadly, this painting did not work out, and the store I went to did not have any pink spray paint, so I just used some spray paint I had and spray painted it silver. I think it still turned out cute, but I would have loved the bubblegum pink. Now I'm going to try to make some cute little sewing circle with this little sewing ring that I got, and use some old scrap fabric to make my base for my little cinema roll head. I'm just making the pieces for Cinema Roll's head, including his ears. I think that'll be super cute. And here it is all together. Now let's get to sewing. I got this little embroidery kit from Daiso. I think it's so cute. I could not find felt in the blue I wanted for his eyes and mouth, so I decided to just use some embroidery string to put on his eyes and mouth. So here it is, tracing my outline for where I'm going to embroider over. Now that we're done with that, let's clean him off so he'll have a clean, fresh, white face. So cute. I love how his eyes and mouth turned out. By no means am I an expert at sewing, so I want to cover the mistakes around the edges when I first started with this cute little bow, and I think it really turned out nice and kind of made it a little more girly. I avoid super glue, but I have this heavy metal rod thing to glue back, so I'm just going to try this kit that I found from Gorilla Glue and hope that it works out for me. The instructions are simple and say you should mix it in a little mixing container, whether it's the packaging, but I'm too lazy and did not do that. So this did not turn out well, and I had to redo it again later on because it did not end up holding everything. But if you just mix it before you apply it to where you want to glue, that'll help out. Or like me, lazy, I just put it and then mix it for the 20-second time it said. Now I'm letting my metal rod dry, and I'm adding flowers to decorate it. This did not work for this metal rod. It still falls over and breaks, but we're just going to pretend that didn't happen. And now that I have everything in place, we're going to use the handy dandy hot glue gun and make sure it stays in place. thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below and how you feel like I can do better and improve. And thank you so much. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Bye!